Hi everyone, welcome to Attacking and Defending Active Directory, the Advanced Edition. I'm your instructor, Nikhil Mittal. This is the March 2025 batch of the bootcamp, and the current session is session 1. So before we get started, something about me, you can find me on Twitter, now known as X, Nikhil_MITT. I'm the founder of Altered Security. We are an ad tech that focuses on red team training. You can find me on GitHub. I used to be pretty active on GitHub once upon a time, not anymore. So I'm the creator of Nishang, Deploy Deception, Race Toolkit, and a few more. I'm interested in red teaming, of course, Active Directory security, Azure security. I've worked a lot on PowerShell as well. I regularly speak and train at some of the major conferences across the world. So I've spoken multiple times at DEF CON, both main stages, both at main stages, multiple times at DEF CON main stage, different villages, etc. I've spoken and trained at Black Hat multiple times. I regularly speak and train at BruCon and more. Uh, about the organization, we have trained more than 40,000 security professionals from more than 130 countries. Most of them are our paid customers. Uh, I started dreaming about a company that offers red team training when I was doing a class more than a decade ago at Black Hat Europe. I realized that uh, there was not a lot of red team training that was affordable. All right. I mean, not only for low income countries as mine or medium income countries, even for high income countries, people would not have enough funds to spend on super expensive classes. So that is when I started thinking about it. I kept fiddling with it. I slept over it for a few years. And then we started this in 2017, 18. Uh, and that idea that training should be very nice, but that does not mean that they should be super expensive. That always stuck with me. That is part of the core value of the company, I would say. So we make sure that uh, our trainings are affordable, easy to access. For example, even for this class, you can just point your browser to the web access and access the lab. The labs should be stable and provide great user experience, must be fun to solve and big enough to feel enterprise-like, right? And you can check this out from us. I mean, a lot of free stuff as well. So we run Red Team Labs, boot camps. You are sitting in one right now. You can find the open source tools that release on our GitHub. The lab platform is enterprisesecurity.io. And we run a free labs and challenges platform as well. As of now, only on Azure. So if you plan to move to Azure Red Teaming, of course, I mean, buy paid courses from us as well. I'm not going to say no to that ever, but get a taste of Azure Red Teaming by going to radlabs.enterprisesecurity.io. So that contains two courses free on Azure Red Teaming, Introduction to Azure Red Teaming and Introduction to Azure Pen Testing. And as of now, 100 challenges, all free to play. All right, so check it out.